Hey, my name is Vokila here. We're on method 2 now of finding out which major scale a C mod comes from. So we're going to do all the C mods or all the mods in the key of C. So there are 3 steps that you have to do to get those major scales. Step number 1, without wasting time, you create a Phrygian mod formula. We have created here, which is 1, flat 2, flat 3, 4, 5, flat 6, flat 7, back to 1. Check. It's semitone, tone, 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 semitone, tone, tone. Okay, that's what it is there. And step number 2, reverse formula and write vertically. So you reverse this formula. I've reversed it here, which is 1, flat 7, flat 6, 5, 4, 3, flat 3, flat 2, 1. Then apply to get the major scales on a key. So we choose we are giving an example of the key of C. So if we are going to apply, let's apply it here. Or apply that. Let's actually apply it down here on the second step. So we now know this is the Phrygian formula, and we have reversed it here. So if we put the C, the 7th of C is B. Then we flat it. Let's just do this, and the 6th is A, and we flat it. The 5th is G, we don't flat it. The 4th is F, we don't flat it. The 3rd is E, we flat it. The 2nd is G, we flat it, and we're back to C. Okay, so this is what we do. And once you've done this, you've created the keys where the scales, the mods come from. So for you to align them, you just write them vertically. So writing vertically, we come to this step here. So the C major scale is equal to the, in fact, the notes that you have in the C major scale are the same notes as you have in the C Ionian mod. And come to the next one is the B flat major scale. Notes are the same as the C Dorian mod. And coming back to this one here, A flat, major scale notes are the same as the C Phrygian. And the G, G major scale notes are same as the C Lydian mod. And F major scale, same as the C Mixolydian mod. And come to this one here, E flat. E flat major scale is same as the A Aeolian or A natural minor. And then the D flat major scale is same notes with the C Locrian mod. Or the C Locrian mod is found in the D flat major scale. These are the way of rephrasing it. The C Ionian mod is found in the C major scale. The C Dorian mod is found in the B flat major scale. The C Phrygian mod is found in the A flat major scale. The C Lydian mod is found in the G major scale. The C Mixolydian mod is found in the F major scale. And the C Aeolian mod is found in the E flat major scale. And finally, the C Locrian mod is found in the D flat major scale. So this is the thing. This is it here. So you can apply this formula can be applied to any key that you choose. Any key that you choose. First of all, you have to write the major scale of that key. Now this is the step that we left out here, the very first step, the key of C here would be C, D, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. These are the notes. So you have to write these notes first, and then for your major scale, and then you can apply the Phrygian mode. You can go to step number 1. So this is how you do it. If you pick the G, for example, you have to write the notes of the G major scale. Write the notes of the G major scale, and then you apply the formula. Thank you very much. My name is Wakile. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.